Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to FishNGrillz. We got some Opihi. We're gonna pop them on the grill, pop them out the shell, and pop it in our mouth. Stay tuned. Tuning in for this episode of FishNGrillz!
Hey everybody, thanks for tuning to this episode of FishNGrillz. Today we'll be talking about the Opihi.
That's small one. The legal size is 1.5 inches, so we're gonna leave that.
Also known as the Hawaii baby abalone, it is a limpet, a subspecies of the mollusk. There are about 50 different species of Opihi found worldwide.
Found some extra fishing line left on the rocks. Always do what you can, take it off, help the beaches.
Here in Hawaii, we have 3 different species of Opihi: the blackfoot, the yellowfoot, and the giant. Most commonly being the blackfoot, which is the one we are here gathering up today. Living up to 7 years, grown up to 3 inches across. The Hawaii state record coming in at 4 inches, weighing up to 8 ounces. Caught off the Big Island back in 2017. These limpets can be found on reef shorelines near shore breaks, feeding on the green algae. Spawning in great numbers, up to 20 to 30,000 per season. It is a Hawaii delicacy, can be found at most Hawaiian luau's and traditional gatherings. Served raw in a poke, mixed with a few other local ingredients such as Hawaiian salt, ogo, and other spices.
Big one right underneath.
Oh, yep, that is one big one. Do you get that? There's a good angle over here.
Can you do it? Oh, it's so big. You got it! Woo! Oh, yeah.
Honest, you think that's even legal?
I don't know.
Size regulation in Hawaii is 1 1/4 inch or bigger for the shell.
Make sure all the sand's out. Don't want to grind your teeth.
Considered as Hawaiian caviar,
Take the
it has a
Rambo knife.
taste acquired, with a soft crunch and an explosion of ocean-like flavor. Although traditionally you would eat these raw, they also taste great off the grill. Cooked for a few minutes with a drizzle of shoyu or chili pepper water, slurped down with a beer, hanging out with a friend.
Oh, yeah.
Tastes like an Opihi.
Definitely.
He's down in the cave. He's putting on his armor, his booties, his gloves, his knife.
Fairly dangerous to gather, being next to shore breaks and on top of sharp reefs. Must take precaution of the waves and wearing proper equipment.
Okay, after that last whitewash, might have to cut it.
Butter knives are commonly used to pry these limpets off the rocks. Must be fast before they cling onto the rocks tightly, making it nearly impossible to get them off.
Alright, good for about 5 seconds. After these 2 big ones. Yeah, we're good. Okay, you got about 10 seconds. No. Wait, one more wave.
Coming down.
Okay, good.
Woo!
Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Go get him. Go. Go. You're good. Go. Oh, there's 3 over there. Let's go. Soldier.
Right, well, the Opihi on the grill is almost done. We threw on some shrimp. We didn't have enough time in the day to make our own sushi, so we picked some up from Times and then popped some other of the Opihis, cleaning them off real quick. Rinse them off. We're just gonna put them on top, make it simple. Just, you know, a little topping. All right, our Opihi is done. We got our quick shoyu packets to go. That's good. Fresh as they come. Gotta have the shoyu.
That's good. Yeah.
Let's go for the shrimp. Shell and all. Some shoyu, put a little bit of that flavor.
Oh, big shoyu bowl.
Oh, perfect poo-poo for the end of the day beach. Opihi dipping sauce.
That's not bad.
All right, guys, thanks for joining us on this episode of FishNGrillz. We had some good times, good grinds with some good people, and as always,
Stay tuned for the next episode of
FishNGrillz.
Woo-hoo!
All right, looks like the Opihi's done. We got a quick, I was looking at that.